Hi, I'm Austin Frederick with the Winnebago County Historical and Archaeological Society, and I'm bringing you an update on our Winnebago County Courthouse light fixture restoration. And as you can see, we've got light fixture number 1, all polished, lacquered, put back together. It is absolutely beautiful. This light fixture cleaned up really well. And it's just absolutely beautiful. So now we're gonna plug it in and see how it looks lit up. The last time this fixture was on was probably right before it was taken out of the county courthouse many, many years ago. So here we go. It's just absolutely beautiful light. Wow. So this is light fixture number 1. We have one more to restore. This light fixture's twin. Can't wait to give you an update of the process of that one and how it turns out. Wow. Till next time.